Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make strawberry streusel cake, and this is how it looks like. This strawberry streusel cake is a coffee cake with 3 delicious layers. On the bottom is a soft butter cake, then a layer of fresh strawberries, and on the top is crunchy digestive biscuit streusel. You can eat this cake warm from the oven or at room temperature, and you will even love it when it's out of the fridge, cold and crunchy. So without further ado, let's get started. So first of all, we'll prepare our streusel. So these are digestive biscuits. You can also take crackers, those graham crackers. Now you can crush them in a food processor, or you can put this in a Ziploc bag and crush with a roller pin. So I'll be back after crushing these in my food processor. So here are the crushed biscuits, and now I'm going to add these in a glass bowl. And along with this, I'm adding some sugar into this and some dried coconut. So you can take either dried flaky coconut or grated, whatever you like, and you have to take the unsweetened one. Okay, just give it a good mix. Okay, so now when it's mixed, and I'm going to add butter. This is cold butter cut into cubes. Now you can either use a similar pastry cutter, or you can use 2 knives or your food processor and even your hands to cut the butter into this. And so cut the butter into the flour mixture and keep doing it until it resembles coarse crumbs. I'll show you. So see, it's done now. This looks like some coarse crumbs. So let's keep this aside and we'll move to the step 2. So here are the fresh strawberries. So these are medium-sized strawberries. I'm going to slice them now. Just cut this green part. As they are not big enough, I'm going to just slice them in half. So like this. So I've sliced all the strawberries now. So let's keep this aside and prepare our cake batter. So in a large bowl, I'm adding the flour. It's all-purpose flour. So here goes the sugar. So I'm using castor sugar here. Then the baking powder, and lastly salt. So just whisk these together. Okay, and now in another bowl I have an egg which I'm going to beat a little. And into this I'm adding some milk. This is full fat milk. You can also use low fat or whatever you feel like. So now I'm adding some vanilla extract. Okay. Just give it a mix again. And now here I'm adding some melted butter, which I have melted and then I've cooled it at room temperature. Okay, so give it a mix again. So once this is mixed, I'm going to add this in my dry ingredients. So this is not a very large cake. It's a simple cake layer at the bottom of the strawberry and streusel layers. So just mix it with a spatula with light hands. Okay, so it's mixed now, and this is an 8-inch square pan which I have greased and lined with parchment paper. I've greased it with butter only, and now I'm adding the cake batter into this pan, and this will form the bottom layer of our streusel cake. Just spread it evenly. Okay. So now is the time to arrange the strawberries over it. So evenly arrange all the strawberries. Try to fill in all the gaps. And finally, once the strawberries are done, I'm adding the streusel on the top. Just spread it evenly. So finally, once everything is added, just press it with light hands. So I'm going to bake this in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 35 to 40 minutes. So here is our ready cake. See, the strawberry is simmering from beneath. So it's quite hot now. Let it cool on the wire rack and we'll come back and slice it. So cake is a bit warm now, not very hot, little bit warm, and I'm going to slice it. Now this can be served right from the pan. You don't have to take this out. But you have to be very careful while taking out the first slice. The rest of the slice is easy to be taken out. So here comes our strawberry streusel cake. See how beautiful the streusel is looking. It's golden brown. It's looking really yummy. You can see this yellow cake beneath, and then the strawberries and the streusel layer. So this is going to be one of the yummiest cake you have ever had. If you love strawberries, you're going to love this cake too. So let me just taste this. This is really yummy, and I know you're going to love this one. You can also sprinkle some icing sugar if you want, and the best one is if you have some ice cream, vanilla ice cream, or you have some whipped cream, you can add it on the top and you can have it. So I hope you like this recipe. If you like it, do not forget to give it a big thumbs up, and do not forget to share it with your family and friends. So until we meet again, goodbye and take good care of yourself. Happy baking!